Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to redact a PDF page using Foxit PDF Editor. I'll hide this page, white out or black out. Now select this protect option, this menu bar, Foxit PDF Editor, and this mark for redaction option, click here, and this page redaction option, select, and select your page number type here. This first page automatically select, or you can select second page. Now select OK and select here apply redaction. Say this, you are about to permanently redact this selected content that has been marked for redaction, and the operation cannot be undone. Now select OK and see this page now hide, and also I will white out this page, and this is white out option. Click here and drag your mouse cursor, select your area and say OK, and see this page now white out and this page redact as black out. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.